Sock asked, what if Earth's landmasses were rotated 90 degrees? Not flipped or tilted, just slid sideways around the planet. So the Indian Ocean ends up at the North Pole and Ecuador's coast is now at the South Pole. Everything else, the Earth's tilt, orbit, seasons, stays the same. Let's say this new Earth has millions of years to settle in. Ecosystems adapt, climates adjust, and people figure out where to live. So, what changes? To figure that out, we need to talk climate. The sun heats the equator more than the poles. Hot air rises at the equator, moves toward the poles, and cooler air sinks and replaces it. These big loops of circulating air are called Hadley cells. Alongside them, we also have Ferrel cells and polar cells, 3 big systems in each hemisphere. Because of the Earth's rotation, winds curve, thanks to the Coriolis effect. In the tropics, winds blow east to west. In the temperate zones, it's west to east. These winds move moisture around and shape our deserts, rainforests, and everything in between. So, with the continents shifted, these systems still work the same way. But now they interact with totally different geography. Let's look at how that plays out. North America flips. Canada becomes tropical. Central America is now frozen. A new tornado alley forms inland from Hudson Bay. South America ends up looking like old Europe. Brazil's coast is cool and grassy. The Amazon shrinks. The Andes block the south from icy polar winds. Asia flips too. Siberia faces a tropical sea. Meanwhile, India and Southeast Asia are icy and mountainous, like a new Siberia. The Gobi Desert isn't tropical, but it's no longer stuck in the Himalayas' rain shadow. Europe now looks like Southeast Asia. Britain and Ireland resemble Borneo. Iceland is like the Philippines. Central Europe is the New Guinea. The Alps, now on the equator, are permanently glaciated. Africa spins, turning West Africa into a rainforest. East Africa becomes a desert, and tornadoes, super common in this version of Africa. Australia gets cooler and wetter. Western Australia is no longer a desert, it's forested. Antarctica is the big winner. No ice cap, it's a smaller continent now, but blanketed in tropical highlands and rainforest. McMurdo Station is basically a beach resort. If scientists miss the ice, they can transfer to Costa Rica. What about major cities? Mexico City, buried under ice. Jakarta, frozen coastal rock. Kolkata and Delhi, cut off by mountains and covered in glaciers. Hong Kong, Manila, Karachi, and Mumbai, cold but not frozen, like Anchorage or Reykjavik. New York, Tokyo, Seoul, and Shanghai. They stay surprisingly similar, just a bit wetter, milder, and cloudier. Cairo shifts south. Now it's savanna with rainforest patches near the Nile Delta. Sao Paulo and Buenos Aires cool down. Think Boston or London weather. Los Angeles becomes a rainy, coastal city, basically Seattle with palm trees. Moscow, desert hot, think Phoenix or Baghdad. And London, welcome to the jungle, literally, humid, tropical, piranhas in the Thames, and tigers that politely apologize before they eat you. Now, one last twist. What if this shift happened instantly? No earthquakes or tsunamis. Let's say the continents just magically slide into their new spots. The ice caps melt before new ones can form. Sea levels rise by hundreds of feet. Entire ecosystems collapse. Mass extinctions follow. It's chaos. But in a movie version, picture this. The Gulf of Mexico cools. Fire ants drift north on rafts. Alligators migrate up the Mississippi. One day, Minnesotans wake up to find their lakes filled with reptiles. The Mighty Ducks skating rink, gone. Grumpy old men, even grumpier. Fargo, same ending, just with more alligators. So yeah, rotating Earth's land by 90 degrees? Fun to think about. Maybe don't try it at home. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and want to continue learning more about topics like this, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos.